Hello and welcome to my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on June the 20th, 2022 in Assam, India. Nagaon district was severely affected by the ongoing devastating flood in Assam. "364,000 people were impacted by the Kapili River, which was flowing above the highest flood level at Kanpur. A total population of more than 4 million people were affected in the current wave of floods, which hit 34 districts. The Indian Army continued flood relief operations for the fourth consecutive day, the officials informed. The relentless relief operations in inclement weather conditions were carried out in 7 districts of Assam. All the major rivers in the state rose, and in some places the water level in many rivers were above dangerous level. Subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.